Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Figma to Visual Studio Code. First, open Visual Studio Code and navigate to the Extensions view. Search for and install the official Figma for VS Code extension. Once installed, you will see a new Figma icon in your activity bar. Click it to begin the login process, securely linking your Figma account. This initial setup is crucial for seamless integration, allowing you to access your design files directly within your development environment. It is a straightforward process that takes only a few moments. Once connected, you can easily browse all your Figma projects and files right inside Visual Studio Code. The extension provides a dedicated panel where you can navigate through your teams, projects, and individual design files. Select any frame or component to inspect its properties, including colors, fonts, and dimensions. You can even copy generated CSS code directly, saving you valuable time and reducing potential errors. This integration streamlines the handoff process between designers and developers significantly. This powerful connection enhances your design-to-development workflow considerably. You can stay updated on the latest design iterations in real time, ensuring your code always reflects the current design. The extension also allows for direct commenting on design elements, fostering clearer communication with your design team. This means fewer context switches and a more cohesive development process. It truly bridges the gap, making collaboration smoother and more efficient for everyone involved in the project. To further optimize your workflow, explore the extension's advanced settings for custom preferences, like how design updates are handled. Learning a few key keyboard shortcuts can also significantly speed up your navigation and interaction within the Figma panel. This integration is constantly evolving, so keep an eye out for new features and improvements that can further enhance your productivity. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. For an amazing upgrade, check out the Darn Tough link in the description, along with other great deals we have found for you. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.